Apple chips is a new trend in the food market, and PND replied to this inquiry, to this request, in manufacturing a new machine. The new machine is the coring and ring machine suitable for apple, pears and peaches. We developed this new machine for apple chips processing. We need a very low thickness. 3 millimeter is the minimum that the drying system allows to have a product, a very crispy product. So what we have is a product that arrives from the washing and then will be loaded in the cutting machine manually or automatically. All depends on the volume and the organization of the company required. Our machine allows processing very safety, and the cutting is much performing. The product falls down on a disc and allow a very thin cutting. The ring will fall down on an elevator belt and will be connected to a drying system. The drying system can be in static or in dynamic, but everything depends on the volume required by the client. In case the client asks for a peeling fruit before the ring cutting, we can combine our peeler to the ring machine. Thank you very much for your attention, and please visit our website.